Hey guys, this week we're learning about comparing fractions. So I wanted to start really early, really easy. First, I want to start with comparing fractions with common denominators. So let's take 3/5. Well, here's 3/5. Okay. Here's 3/5, and here's 2/5. Each piece is the same size, right? So which one would be greater? Obviously the 3/5, right? So here we have the two-sided, it's pointing to the larger side with the 1 point going to the smaller side. So 3/5 is greater than 2/5. Another way to check it would be cross multiplication. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 5 is 15. Obviously, 15 is greater than 10. So there's two ways to do that, okay? What if I have 2/8 and 6/8? Well, again, here's 2/8. Here's 6/8. The pieces are the same size. So which one is there more of? 6/8, right? So 2/8 would be less than 6/8. Another way to check it would be 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 2 is 16. Obviously, the 48 is greater. So 2/8 is less than 6/8. Okay, let's take a look at 4/8 and 4/10 and 8/10. Sorry. If they're both the same size pieces, they're both tenths. Would you rather have 4? Would you rather have 8? Obviously 8. Okay. What if I have 2/3 and 1/3? They're both thirds, so the pieces are the same. So I'd want 2 instead of 1 if I want it to be bigger. Okay, so I can say that 2/3 is greater than 1/3, where here 4/10 was less than 8/10. Okay, I'm going to change it up on you just a little bit. What if now I have fractions with common numerators? Remember, we have no, duh, numerator, denominator. Well, first of all, if I have 2/3 or 2/5, if I have a pizza, would I want to split it with 3 people or 5 people? I want to split it with 3 people, right? Because I'd get more of it. Another way to check it is, again, cross multiplication. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 5 is 10. So 10 is greater than 6. So we can say that 2/3 is greater than 2/5. What if I have 6/8 and 6/10? Well, do you want to share a pizza with 8 people or 10? You want to share it with 8 people because you get more of it, right? 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 10 is 60. 60 is greater than 48. So 6/8 is greater than 6/10. Same thing here. If I have 4/9 or 4/5, well, fifths is bigger pieces than ninths, right? So I could say that 4/9 is less than 4/5. Last one here. I have 3/7 and 3/5. Well, I'd rather share a pizza with 5 people because I'd get more of it. 3 times 5 is 15, and 3 times 7 is 21. 21 is greater, right? So 3/7 is less than 3/5.